So friends, is there a way of seeing the adultery in the chart or a cheating spouse in the chart? Now again guys, no judgments over here. Astrology is just a tool to get a peek into someone's personality. So now comes the question that which all are the planetary alignments which give indication for that. So see guys, when we talk about that, this could be someone's natural personality, that they like to sneak around, they like to fool around. Whenever they get a chance, they want to just get involved in some relationship, no matter whether they are like sentiments, emotions are involved or not, no matter how casual it is. So that generally happens. See, there are like certain zodiac signs which are reputed for this. So Gemini is on the peak. Scorpio also has got a reputation for that. So Gemini and Scorpio can be put as on a forefront for that. Now when we talk about the planets, so guys, like Rahu and Venus making any combination in the chart, Mars and Venus making any combination in the chart, Moon being placed in the 12th house and aspected by Rahu, conjunct with Rahu, and the combination I said, Mars Venus in the 7th house, Venus Rahu in the 8th house, that can actually make someone's personality very sensual, highly sexed personality. So these are some of the combinations which you have to give attention. And let's say for example, if 7th lord is also conjunct with Rahu, or this could be a case that your 7th lord is placed in the nakshatra of the Rahu. So these are some of the alignments which can make someone's personality by default like that. Now in certain cases you are not like that, you were not even looking for it, but life somehow puts you in those situations that someone entered in your life and now you have to manage like kind of being into relationship or being in a secretive, being in a hidden relationship. So that could also happen when the axis of the Rahu and Ketu gets active. I have seen that these kind of complexities generally comes when the native is going through Rahu and Ketu inversion. Like Rahu transiting over your natal Ketu, Ketu transiting over your natal Rahu. This generally happens when people are going through some karmic time periods. This could be Mahadasha of Rahu, Antardasha of Ketu, or Ketu Mahadasha, Rahu Antardasha. Or this could be Rahu Saturn in Mahadasha, Antardasha sequence. So this brings certain karmic aligned relationship in the life. And again guys, the transit of the Rahu over your natal Venus, transit of Rahu over your moon, transit of Rahu over your 12th house can also trigger these kind of adultery kind of situation